Hey everybody, thank you for watching E-24G. This is the outdoor version, well, let's say the backyard edition of the unboxing I'm about to do today. So about to do the unboxing on this pair that I've been wanting since last year. I wasn't lucky. Again, I wasn't lucky again, but you know what? It was a gift and I appreciate it. And thank you to who was able to hook these up for me. So about to unbox them. Hope you enjoy the video. Click subscribe, also like, and hopefully it looks good. It's a beautiful day, New York. Let's do this. Again, little Yeezy, little 350, keychain hanger, whatever thing you call it. Again, keys are safe. Use your keys to open these boxes, and a little bit of power. All right, so here we go. These came from Goat. So again, I appreciate it. Let's do this. This is the Yeezy Foam Runner is about to get unboxed. I'm about to do maybe a little on feet later on. So of course, when you open it up, you see it here. You may see it. It's a little sunny. It says foam over here. And you know what? Let's try to move it over here in the shade. Make it a little bit easier. Again, this is like the raw, uncut version. All right, so we have the foam runner over here. Whew. Been waiting a long time to get these. These went up in price to the point that it was just not even worth it. Again, the ARARATs. This is a size 10. And here's the outsole. You have the Adidas branding right here, if it can be seen. If not, I'll show it in the sun too. Very futuristic looking sneaker, whatever we want to call it. It has like the 3 stripes actually branding in a futuristic way. Has a lot of the looks of the 700s. And how can you tell or see how it is? The influencing behind the 700s. Well, here's the pair I'm wearing right now. Geodes. Look at this. Right there. You have the 1, 2. The third one is over here, the third circle. So they put it a little closer over here. So there's a lot of 700 influence on here as far as the sneakers, if you could see them. All right, so, and the inside, again, no laces. This is going to be interesting to try on. I hope that they actually are good. About to put them on shortly. And just so you know, these are the sands, which are made, if you can see over here, it's made in the United States. Let's see, put it in the sun a little bit. Yeah, maybe a little brighter, maybe better there. Made in the U.S. So here they are. About to show the second pair. Second pair has a tag over here. If it helps anybody out, I know sometimes I get questions about these. As you can see, they're made for both unisex, sand. Over here, size 10. You have the barcode. You have all those things. These were verified through Goat. And again, on the side over here, it says Foam Runners, again made in the U.S. Hopefully that helps out. Try my best. And I can't really see how this is coming out, but again, it's not much to say about these. It's just a matter of just trying these on. I'm about to do something right now, do a little try on, see how they fit, and maybe you guys can get an idea how it is when you put them on. There's not much to say. I mean, you've heard it all already. I've seen many videos about these. These are tanks, from what I've heard. These V2 700s are also tanks. Any 700's a tank. So if this is a tank of a sneaker, foam runner, whatever you want to call it, yeah, I'm excited. And let's try these on right now, see how it looks. All right, see how the ease of these is to put on. Okay, I'm gonna just try to do just a video again. It's good to show when we put it on. I know a lot of times we see the on feet and give opinions. I'm a size 10. Let's see how easy this is to put on. All right, so I'm just gonna try and slide it, but let's just hold on to this. Oh yeah, these are perfect. Perfect. Again, always important. Where's your toe? It's like right around here. It's enough room actually. And I'm sure that these will expand as, or basically work its way into this. And just by the way, just so you know, it's very important. Sock game is gonna be very important with what you wear. Again, black, you can never go wrong. It gives it a great look. With the sand, you have the light and the dark contrast. I'm wearing Adidas sweats to kind of go along with it. And these look amazing. I'm very happy about these. Very happy I was able to get them. Again, shout out to the people behind all this. And again, I appreciate anybody who watches the channel, gives reviews. Just do the best I can to try to give content that helps out. Maybe similar to others, but again, it's always good to hear someone else's opinion. You never know. Might be something different. I've seen so many, but again, yeah, these are comfortable. These are super comfortable. I have, let's see here. It's just right. It's just right. I would say if anybody goes, this from what I heard, it's full sizing. Go with your regular size. You don't have to go up. If you're half a size up, then you obviously go to the next level. I'm a 10, so I went with my natural 10. No problem at all. These are awesome. Goodness, I can't wait for the dark colors to come out. I'm definitely on these, and these are so comfortable. As you could see, when I put them on, it was not an issue to put them on. Yeah, so I mean, anybody who is looking to buy them, hopefully that helped out a little bit, showing how easy it is to put on. The fitting, again, to me, the most important part of the fitting, of course, is over here. You have this. How does it feel? Is it too tight? For me, no. This material is meant to be good, and it actually grips pretty well on it. So you have this over here. You know what? Let me try the other one on. Maybe do like a slight walk with these and see how it all comes out. Again, another side over here. I would recommend, if you're gonna put them on, you may need to hold the back side of it to kind of upon it's not just like a slide on type of slipper sneaker. Oh yeah, these are so comfortable though. And here we go. Oh yeah, these are very comfortable. I guess in time, sometimes you can't tell immediately how it feels as far as how it's gonna feel later on, but it's just right. It's just right. And I'm sure in time, once, I'm sure there's like a break-in with these. Maybe not much, but yeah, it's these. I love these. And yeah, hopefully this helped out. You guys check it out, the channel. E-24G. These are Kanye West Adidas Yeezy Foam Runners, and again, I believe it's the sand colorway. Yeah, I didn't go with the moon. I think this will go good. Perfect again when you wear black pants, black socks, anything. Again, the socks will help out with the look of these sneakers. And yeah, I love the whole futuristic look. These are amazing. This is up there in top sneakers I have. I've bought some, I've gotten rid of some, sneakers that I loved, and it was all about the comfort. And these days for me, comfort is important, whether you're home, whether you're out and about. By the way, definitely wear these with socks. You don't want to get these all sweaty in there. That just, and I'm sure for cleaning, very easy to clean. And again, my big toe is right here. It's like, this is the edge. It's like right there. I don't think going to 11 would have been, might have been a little bit too big. I might have been sliding inside of these, but I mean, you can't go wrong. But there's like right there. Again, I'm pretty much a wide foot, so, but either way though, it's fine. I'm not like complaining, no jamming, nothing like that so far. Again, guys, check it out. If you get a chance to buy these, definitely worth it. If you're there to resell, I mean, you probably made your money already. Probably peaked as it is, as there's more coming out. So, you know, I mean, I'm not big into reselling. I'm all in for the love of it. So buy them, wear them. It's worth it, you know, especially if you get it for that price. I can see if you have more than one amount, but yeah, no, definitely worth it. And let me just take these off right now. Yeah, it's super comfortable. Super comfortable. This insole is very comfortable. These may get dirty pretty quick. I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter though. Again, the material is very easy to wash, easy to clean. Yeah.